Welcome. What a sunny day. And I'm going to wait to upgrade my lights on my cycle. I've had them for quite a few years now. So I was looking last night on the shop, the alphabet shop, you know, the one, A, Z. Well, for my American friends, Z. Anyway, and here's what I've bought. It's Babacom is the name of them. I'll see if I can get in here. There you go. So that's what I've bought. Right, they're it's just a small pair of lights, but this is phenomenal. There's so many features on the white light, and there's still again a load of features on the red light. But look at this. Now there's a 24% discount on the go just now, so that's how. Now I've not even fit them up. I've just had a look at them, right, and they're that good that I've went and ordered another set for my wife's bike as well. So now here's what's great about them. There's the size of them. I mean, there's the palm of my hand, right? Okay, that's how. Look, I'll put the two of them side by side. They're that way, kinda. Look, they're not massive, right? But the first thing, the thing I liked about them is they are an easy release. They are, you know how you've seen of these mental adverts, okay, that are coming through, boring the tits off you about phone holders, quad lock, £80 odd. Well, this is quite similar. It's kind of like a quad lock fit to them, right? There you go, right? So there's your lights. To fit them on, you've got these rubber bandy things. Now, I've had them on my other ones, and they are very, very ingenious. Very ingenious. But once it's on your bike, you just put it in and twist it. Now, you can go that way, you can go that way. You can see there's like a ruffled edge there. And there, right, yes, USB-C. Now, another thing is it comes with USB-Cs, a USB-C lead. Not just an ordinary USB-C. Now it's not a long lead, okay, but it's long enough. Look at that. So it's a USB in the wall, okay, and off of that is two USB-C leads. So you know the socket. Most people have got them now, right? I've got the socket in the house, the double 240 sockets, okay. But you've got the USB charging points into them. That'll fill one of them, and then the two lights will just plug in and hang on. Now, there's meant to be quite a great range on these lights. Length of time will depend though on the power that you use. Now, so if I push it once, there it is on. Okay, I don't want to blind you, but this is in daylight. Look how strong this is. And if you look on the top there, look. Now, when you push the button on the top, it goes to different settings. Okay. So now I like that last in there. I've got a really bright in. So there's a really bright in there. Okay, I'm not sure if it's flashing or what, but we'll just say, for argument's sake, that's it on, and that's the one I like. Okay. I push and hold the button, and that's the light off. The next time I'm out on my cycle, I push the button, just push it, no holding it, push it, and it come back on. So it's got a memory in it. So the last light that I used, that's what it comes on to. How cool is that? Whereas my last ones, I mean, and it's the same on the back one, look. You can have it blinking, you can have it, so I'll move it through. There's the second one, third one, fourth one. Okay, so there's the fourth one. We'll just say I like the fourth one. Normally I would switch it off, so I'll just hold it. Okay, that's it switched off. But when I come back, on the lights I've got on my bike just now, I would have to push that button, switch them on and then push it 4 times. And then I've also got another couple of times to push to switch it off. But look at that, just switch it on and there it goes back to the 4th one automatically. And like the front one, it's got a light in it. They are absolutely incredible. So you get your 2 holders, you get a front light, a rear light, and you get a charger as well. And as I said, it is so simple. It's a quad lock system. You just push it on, turn it, and that's it. Unbelievable, and absolutely unbelievable. And there you go. So we'll just say I've got that sitting on my handlebar like that. Push it on it goes, and look, I've got a visual that my light is on. Man, I'm so impressed with this. $13.99. They're on a special on A to Z just now. Okay. Baba Link, or Baba, what did I say it was called? Baba, fuck. I'll put the name out, I'll have to go and find the name out. It's Baba something. Okay, till the next one. I'll see you there.